Jussie Smollett back in the spotlight now, suing the city of Chicago. That's right, he's suing them for malicious prosecution, which he claims caused him humiliation and extreme distress. Lawyers for the actor filing a counterclaim to the city's lawsuit, seeking $100,000 for the investigation into the hoax. Does he have a case? Let's ask former prosecutor and criminal defense attorney Bob Bianchi. Now, you're an expert on malicious prosecution, where someone was prosecuted unfairly. How in the world can Jussie Smollett, who caused this hoax, claim that somehow the prosecution was malicious?
He's putting a rock in a hard place because Chicago did a smart thing. They filed a case against him because Kim Foxx, the prosecutor there, sealed the record so that the facts didn't get out, and the mayor and the chief want their money back. So he filed a counterclaim in response to that, but he has no case here because under Illinois law, to have a malicious prosecution, you have to show that they actually misrepresented or falsified something to the prosecutor that led to the charges. And Ed, this case was presented by Kim Foxx to the grand jury, the good citizens of Cook County, and they came out with an 18-count indictment. And to the shock of a person like me who ran a prosecutorial agency, out of nowhere, it's dismissed, the record is sealed, the mayor's thrown under the bus, the police chief's thrown under the bus, and because she did that, she opened the door to Smollett filing this claim, although it's never going to work because these cops did nothing that was false or misrepresentative.
The city wanted to recoup the money, the cost of what was basically a fake investigation where he claimed that these MAGA supporters went after him.
Right, and the beauty of this is, and the smart move here is, now the public gets to see the facts because of the suit the city filed. But here's my warning as a defense lawyer now that represents people that are high-profile capacities that are being charged in a civil case. He's now subjecting himself to a deposition where no holds bar. They can ask him any question they want. So, Mr. Smollett, be careful. You may wind up back in handcuffs after those depositions. I'm just saying.
Wow, that's very interesting because we reached out to Smollett's attorney. Have not heard back yet as to whether this may boomerang and backfire on him. We also reached out to the city of Chicago. If they want to weigh in, we will certainly update the story. In the meantime, really amazing that he somehow, Smollett, thinks this was malicious by the prosecution when he made it up. Robert Bianchi, we appreciate you coming in with your insight.
You got it.